Warning! Warning! Warning!
We have a hit incoming, and man, has this ETB really done us right. We're opening our 50th Surging Sparks pack today. Can you believe that, guys? 50 packs today. That's something to celebrate. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that follow button to watch us open the next 50 packs we're going to need in order to complete the master set. And then the next 50, and then the next. Well, let's see what we get at the end here. Reverse Latios. Give us some luck. Drum roll, please. All right. Reverse Skarmory and Kilowattrel EX. Okay, a hit is a hit. However, if I recall correctly, we already have Kilowattrel EX. I mean, it's crazy. There's so many different EX cards that we can get, so many different IRs, and we've already doubled up on the EX Kilowattrel and doubled up on the Latios IR. I'm happy with the hits, but we need something to help us fill out the binder.